Whether you're a content creator or just love flying drones, now's the perfect time to grab the DJI Mini 3. It's packed with features and available at its lowest price ever, just $315. Imagine capturing stunning 4K HDR videos with incredible clarity, thanks to the dual native ISO fusion. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, your footage will be sharp and vibrant. Plus, with true vertical shooting, it's perfect for your social media stories and posts. This drone gives you up to 10 km of HD video transmission and dynamic quick shots, so your creativity knows no bounds. The DJI Mini 3 is designed to handle the elements too, featuring level 5 wind resistance, a 3-axis gimbal, and brushless motors. This means you get stable 4K footage even at high altitudes. Worried about complicated setups? Don't be. The DJI Mini 3 is incredibly user-friendly. It comes with GPS return to home, precise hovering, and in-app tutorials to get you started. One of the coolest features? The DJI Mini 3 weighs in at under 249 grams, so no FAA registration is needed for recreational use. It's super portable with fold-away arms and user-replaceable propellers. Just grab a screwdriver. Now, let's talk quality. The Mini 3 delivers impressive images and video, rivaling smartphones and action cams like the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Sure, it might not beat your DSLR or mirrorless camera, and you won't get 4K at 60p, D-Cine-like color, or advanced tracking features. But for many first-time pilots, these are trade-offs worth making for the price. According to DJI, you can expect around 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge with the Intelligent Flight Battery. In real-world use, it's more like 22 to 30 minutes. Still plenty of time to capture amazing shots. So, is the DJI Mini 3 your next big investment? It's a fantastic first drone, and if you're an experienced flyer, the Mini 3 Pro offers even more features in a compact size. Let me know your thoughts. Would you go for the DJI Mini 3 at this unbeatable price? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace out.